सबैभन्दा पहिला तपाईँ हाम्रो सदस्य बन्नु भएको छैन भने सब्स्क्राइब गरी हाम्रो च्यानलको सदस्य बन्नुहोस् र खुसियालीमा घन्टी बजाई निशुल्क सदस्यता प्राप्त गर्नुहोस्।
Embrace the unknown. In a world full of opportunities and difficult choices to make, a world of uncertainty yet of hopefulness, a world of chaos but also of kindness, I am learning to embrace life around me.
To organize this program, and thank you very much to the head boy, head girl, all the captains, vice captains, and then Panchakanyas. Now you guys can go to your duty zone, I guess. You guys can go. Starting from the head girl.
Happy birthday, Actually, rather than did, I was looking for some support. And I finally got Durga sir, a very untiring, and I have a word. He was there with me in the struggling years, in the struggling days. He is my wife. So he says Manoj Acharya is father and mother of Kathmandu Global School, who keeps on supporting, who keeps on lending the supporting hands. After that we had many. Yeah, there are some journeys that can be traveled together, that can be ended together, that can be started together, but maybe we may be lost somewhere. It does not mean that we do not value. We value every one of them. We value, especially one name and the group. Sonam sir and the group, I also want to thank them for their support. And another person, I should not forget, a very energetic dancer who came and danced here, Saru ma'am, Shobit sir, they were from the very beginning. We don't have Ritesh with us. Ritesh was there. So if you are listening to me, we are not live though, but some of the students, I think you are in touch with Ritesh, so you can pass my regards to him. And from next year, when you remember, Said 8 is about to come. It's your celebration now, it's not mine. First year, we celebrated because Kathmandu Global School burned. We celebrated. Actually, we wrote it third, but this will be second, and next year will be third. But we are running in the third, that's why it can be accepted. It is my mistake, actually. First year, we are very happy because Kathmandu Global was born and it was about to walk. Now, it's growing. But the next year when we celebrate, the celebration won't be mine. The celebration won't be of KGS and ours. The celebration will be of yours because KGS is yours. And one more information, though this is our celebration, one more information for class 10. Guys, you are the first batch of Kathmandu Global School. You may be black, you may be white, you may be short, you may be tall, you may be fat, you may be thin. But Kathmandu Global School equally loves you, and your history, one more flag of your history and success will be there waving out. And you guys have one more year of chance to make me, yourself, and Kathmandu Global School proud. And today, principal comes on knees for you, and you will bring the whole world on their knees. We are there, we guarantee it, but the support should be there. There are many people, once again I want to remember, I want to thank Yamuna ma'am, Kopila ma'am, Pragya ma'am, Ranjita ma'am. There are many, like I may not see and then I may not.
Rising above the rest.
यसलाई आज मेरो तर्फबाट है अलिकति बोल्छु, यसलाई केक काटेर त्यसपछि म त्यही आउँछु अनि बोल्छु सो द्याट दुईटै साइडतिर चाहिँ बराबर हुन्छ। Allow us to cut the cake jointly in the name of KGS and in the name of entire fraternity. All of you, thank you very much. त्यसपछि अब सुरु त हुनु पर्यो, बिस्तारै बिस्तारै सिधै भन्यो भने बा बर्बादै पो हुने हो कि दाइको कानमा बिस्तारै बिस्तारै पुगेँ मैले, कृष्ण दाइ घरबिटे राईको दाइ ल यसो गर्नु पर्यो। ओके फाइन। त्यसपछि आज चाहिँ हुनुभयो यो कुरा सेयर गर्ने भन्नुभयो, त्यसपछि सर हामी सँगसँगै अर्को एकजना एकदमै खुसी हुन्छ म हामी कुरा गर्ने भन्नुभयो। कसलाई भनेको इसा म्याम ल आइहाल्नुहोस् भनेर दुईजना बसेर
Wonderful.
HOD, Ram sir, especially Deepak sir, Nishal sir, everyone wonderful. Time to go now and enjoy more. So thank you very much for this interesting participation, and I congratulate the winner. However, teachers were also wonderful. I think they broke the part in 10 seconds, so this would be awarded. It was in 10 seconds. And like nobody had that spirit, slide down through the rope. Slide down through the rope. Do you know why? I'll tell you one thing. Because these guys, they supported me to climb up. And when I went up, you know, I didn't want to fall down on them and hurt. Because I reached on the top because of them. And I wanted to save them, that's why I slided down. Because when they have done so much, let me be enjoyed rather than them. Thank you very much for the spirit, and the parents are also there. I can see they were here for a long time. Thank you very much for bearing with us. And I could see the people around, they were watching even through the bus, through the outside, everyone. So finally, thank you everyone for making this day very memorable and wonderful. Happy
Thank you, sister. Science is much more than a body of knowledge. It is way of thinking. Respected principal sir, academic head, exam coordinator, program coordinator, assembly in charge, teachers, juniors, seniors, and my lovely friends. It's me, Mamta Arya, in front of you all to deliver a short speech about technology.
देउता भाग्य हुन्न हजुर आफै हुन्छ देउता भाग्य हुन्न हजुर आफै हुन्छ दिनदिनै भेट्नलाई आउँदिन दिनदिनै भेट्नलाई आउँदिन दुई दिनलाई पो माया लाउँदिन दिनदिनै भेट्नलाई आउँदिन दिनदिनै भेट्नलाई आउँदिन
धन्यवाद हाम्रो वडाको टिमलाई र अब हामी फेरि पनि पुनः हाम्रो विशेष धन्यवाद हाम्रो भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई दिँदै वडाको तर्फबाट म काठमाडौँ ग्लोबल स्कुललाई पनि धन्यवाद दिँदै यो माइक्रोफोन